Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts like a donut shop. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, then move on to preparing the perfect yeast dough. Next, you'll learn the best techniques for shaping and frying your donuts to golden perfection. Finally, we'll cover how to create delicious glazes and toppings, ensuring your homemade treats taste just like they came from your favorite bakery. Get ready to impress everyone with your amazing donut-making skills. Creating the perfect dough is the foundation of great donuts. First, activate your yeast with warm milk and a little sugar. This ensures it's ready to work. Then combine your flour, eggs, melted butter, and a pinch of salt, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Knead this dough thoroughly until it becomes smooth and elastic, about 8 to 10 minutes. Finally, let it rise in a warm spot until it has doubled in size, which usually takes about 1 hour. Once your dough has beautifully risen, it's time to shape those delicious donuts. Gently roll out the dough to a consistent thickness, about 1/2 inch. Use a donut cutter to create your classic shapes, including the holes. Now, heat your frying oil to precisely 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, frying them for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown. Don't overcrowd the pot. The final step is where your donuts truly come to life with flavor and flair. While your donuts are still warm, prepare a simple glaze by whisking powdered sugar with a small amount of milk until smooth. Dip each donut into the glaze, allowing any excess to drip off. For extra fun, experiment with various toppings like melted chocolate, colorful sprinkles, or a dusting of cinnamon sugar. Serve your freshly made donuts immediately for the best taste and texture. Enjoy your amazing creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.